Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. After the exams are over, today we will start again our topics. So, out of that, we see the what all things the analysis with regard to or the how to maintain the stores control. In that, we see what all things are there. That is the purchasing of that EOQ is there, maintaining the stock levels are there, then analysis is there, like ABC analysis, the study with regard to that. ABC analysis is there. Then JIT, just in time is there. Then FSN analysis there, fast moving, faster, slow, and non-moving FSN. Fast moving, slow moving, and non-moving goods are there. And also one more is there. What is that? Worth analysis, vital, essential, and desirable. So all four parts are there, and also then we see the stores ledger. Stores means the how much item is to be received and how much item is to be going for the production department and all. That is utilizing. For that one, for that purpose, the stores ledger is prepared. In the stores ledger, the techniques with regard to is used. The techniques with regard to using of the stores ledger as the LIFO method, the FIFO method, the simple average method, and the weighted average method. Now, we see before the exam the LIFO method and the FIFO method. The first come that is to be first utilized, and the last come that is to be last utilized. That is the FIFO and the LIFO. Now we are going to see what is that the simple average method, or the third one in the stores ledger. How to prepare the stores ledger and all. Under that, the third one is the simple average method. So we will see that one. See, this is the simple average method. The issue price under this method. So we see what are thing LIFO, FIFO. Now simple average method. And now one more is there, the weighted average method. So from the name weighted average, what is that? Weights are assigned is there based on the issue price as well as the receipt price. Issue price, weights are assigned. While simple average means യഥാർത്ഥ ഒരു ശരാശരി. ഇപ്പൊ 3 1 plus 2 plus 3. അപ്പൊ 3 ഐറ്റം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2. So in the previous methods, like what is that? The issue price, in the FIFO, the first come first. That is to be among the lot, the first received is to be taken and that is to be utilized. Then in the LIFO method, the last one is to be utilized as first. So that is the LIFO method. But simple average means we are taking the average itself. So that is the case. The issue price under this method is calculated by dividing the total of the prices of different lots of materials in the store by the number of prices involved in the calculation. So suppose 10 and 11 is there. So two prices are there, 10 plus 11 by 2. Like that. 3 is there, divided by 3. That is the simple average method. So suppose the following are the 3 different lots of materials in stock where when certain quantity of the material is to be issued. That is 400 units at rupees 6, 300 units at rupees 7, 500 units at rupees 8. So in such a case, what is that? The 3 price is to be taken 6 plus 7 plus 8 by 3. So how much? 15 plus 6, 21 divided by 3. So 7 we are taking. So that is the case with regard to simple average method. So this is the 3 thing. The price is the 6 for the one unit, 7 for the another unit, and 8 for the third unit. So 6 plus 7 plus 8 by 3, that is 21 divided by 3. 7 is the price for that one. So with that 7 rupees, they are taking the issue. So in such a case, this is the simple average method. Then advantages with regard to this method is it is simple to operate. It gives good result also, and when the prices are stable, and it minimizes the variance in the cost and market price also. So, what price is suppose, see in the previous example, 400 units at rupees 6, 300 units at rupees 7, and 500 units at rupees 8. This is purchase. This purchase in the issue 700 units where you issue that 700 into 7 we need to take it, because minimizes the variances in the cost as well as the market price also. And there are some disadvantages, that is material cost does not represent the actual cost price. Material cost does not represent the actual cost price, and it does not give satisfactory results when the prices of the material can fluctuate considerably. So it does not give satisfactory results. But price utilize so does not give satisfactory results when the price of the materials can fluctuate considerably, and identity of the materials in the store is lost also. The identity of the materials in the store is lost. So these are the advantages and disadvantages with regard to the simple average method. While there is weighted average method, one more. Unlike the simple average method, this method gives due weightage to the quantities. Some weights should be assigned to the this one. So that is, weight should be assigned to the what is that? This each and every issue. So a price which is ICMA London defines the weighted average price as a price which is calculated by dividing the total cost of materials in stock by the total quantity of materials in that stock. So total cost of material divided by the total quantity, that is total units or total quantity of material in stock, then weighted average price is to be calculated. The issue price is calculated by dividing the total cost of material in stock by the total quantity in stock. It is calculated each time when a new purchase is made. Oro purchase it is calculated. So weighted average price is equal to total cost of material divided by total units in stock. For example, see, suppose the following are the three different lots of materials in stock when the material is to be issued. 300 units at rupees 11, 400 units at rupees 10, 300 units at rupees 12. So, in such a case, 300 into 11 plus 400 into 10 plus 300 into 12 divided by the quantity. How much? 300 units plus 400 units plus 300 units. So, 1000 is the total unit, and 300 into 11 plus 400 into 10 plus 300 into 12, that is 10,900 divided by 1000. 10.9 is the price. With that 10.9, we are issuing the stock. So that is the, so you will be familiar with this in the next and doing the problems in that. So advantages with regard to the price, this one, weighted average price method. Pricing is more accurate as it considers the quantity as well as the price, because price also to be taken, price into quantity divided by quantity, total quantity, isn't it? The total production divided by total quantity. Isn't it? So 300 into 11 plus 400 into 10 plus 300 into 12 divided by the total quantity. So 10,900 divided by 1000, so 10.90. Then second, this is the most desirable method to be adopted as it evens out the effect of price fluctuation. The price is to be fluctuated, changing, so that almost all the items are to be involved in that. Not only the old price, but also the new price. And the need for calculation of new issue price arises only when a new lot of material is received. So the need for calculation of new issue price arises only when a new lot of material is received. And the inventory under this method is valued only at one rate. One rate weighted average in the total production. 300 into 11 plus 400 into 10 plus 300 into 12. That is the total production divided by the total quantity. 300 plus 400 plus 300 is equal to. So then the disadvantages are the calculation is tedious because we need to take what all the quantity arrived and what all the price. With that, the price multiplied with the quantity, that all be taken care and the total quantity is to be divided also. So that is why the calculation is tedious. Prices are to be worked out in decimals to get the corrected results. And the material costs are not charged out at actual cost. Issue price contains an elements of profit or loss. So these are the advantages as well as disadvantages with regard to which one? Weighted average price method. So maybe sometimes these two will ask as theory question with the advantages and disadvantages, or sometimes always asking the LIFO or FIFO method. So we will do one problem with regard to the simple average and the weighted average price method. So today we will see the simple average method, how this is to be taken care. So here, following transaction took place in respect of a material during March 2014. Balance in store as 600 units at the rate of rupees 4, received 400 units at the rate of rupees 5, issued 300. So we need to take what average price at where simple average price at issued case, and then received 200 units at rupees 6 and again issued 250 units. Prepare stores ledger under simple average method and weighted average method. So how this is to be in the simple average method? So simple average, receipts, issue, and the balance, isn't it? Balance. Here, of the quantity, the rate, the amount, the quantity, the rate, the amount, the quantity, the rate, the amount. 3 columns are for that. All. Then, first opening, what is that? Balance is 600 at the rate of rupees 4, 2,400. On which day it is? March 1. Okay, March 1, that is 600 at the rate of rupees 4. Then received, next is what? 6th, March 6, received how much? Received 400 units at the rate of rupees 5, that is 2,000. So it is increased 600 for 2,400, then 400, 5, 2,000. Next case is what? Issued on 8th, 300 units. So in the previous case, if we are taking from that, in what way we will take it? 300. That is to be taken from 300. That is to be taken from either if it is a FIFO method from here or LIFO method from here. This is separate. So how it is to be? Take the price of these two. 5 plus 4, 9, isn't it? 9 by 2, that is 4.5. That is the price we need to take it. So 9 by 2, 4.5. So 300 into 4.5. So it is 1,350. Okay. So 300, 600. How much it is? 1,000. So it is 700 and how much? 2,400 plus 2,000. 4,400 minus 1,350. No price is there. More than that, there is no price. Okay, so it is 3050. How it is to be 4400 minus 1350. Simple. So 3050. 4400 minus 1350 is it? It is 3050. Then next received 200 units on 25 at 6200. So how it is 7 plus 2 9 and 3050 plus 1200 and 1200. It is how much? 3 plus 1 4 250. 4250. And then next is what? 30th issued 250. 250 units is issued 30th. How it is to be? With the three prices 4 plus 5 plus 6. How much? 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15 by 3, that is 5. So with that, the 5 we are taking as the price. Look, in this way, 30th 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3. So once again I will tell you, first case is 4, with the second this is 5 plus 4 9. So we are taking the price, average of that. 9 by 2 it is 4.5, and the third 4 plus 5 plus 6. 6 is the new price. So altogether the 3 we need to take it. Isn't it? So 5 is the answer. So 250 into 5, how much it is? 1250. So 4250 minus 1250, it is 3000. And 900 minus 250, it is 650. That is the, so the closing stock is how much? At 650 units, how much is the price? 3000 is the amount. So this is the case with the simple average method. So once again, I will explain to you the same problem. On March 1, 600 units at rupees 4, 2400, that is the balance. Balance still in our hand. We purchased on 6, 400 units at the rate of rupees 5, 2000. So that is also added in this way. That is how much? The price is ignored here, 1000. Then this is also, it is 4400. Then next on 8th, 300 units are to be received at what? With the previous price 5 plus 4, 9 by 2, 4.5. So 4400 minus 1350, 3050, and 1000 minus 300, that is 700. So now the balance is what? 700 units at a, how much is the total value? 3050. Simple. Then on 25th, 200 units is issued, received at rupees 6. So another price comes. So 6 into 200, 1200, that is to be added here. 3050 plus 1200, it is 4250, and 700 plus 200, it is the 900. And then the 30th, 250 is to be issued. So which is the price? New price is to be. Oro issue, oro price change. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. 3 prices are there. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 5 into 250, that is 1250. So 900 minus 250, 650 is the answer for the current closing unit, and the closing stock is 3000. How? 4250 minus 1250, that is 3000. So this is the simple average method. Weighted average, we will look it in the next class. So in continuation with this, we will do another problem also. Following transaction took place in respect of a material during the month of June. Received 500 units at rupees 10, received 300 units at rupees 12, issued 700 units. So the price is to be taken in that way. then received 400 units at rupees 14, issued 300 units and received 500 units at rupees 11. You are required to prepare the store's ledger account under simple average price method and weighted average price method. So we will look into that, how it is to be. So in this problem, what is that? Received items are there, issued items are also there. So we will do it. Firstly, the receipt, the issue, and the balance. Quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. So firstly, what is that? On June 1, received how much? 500 and 10. So it is 5,000. Okay. So here also 500, 10, 5,000. Then on June 10, received 300 units. 300, 12, so it is 3,600. So 500, then how it is to be returned? So 800 it is. Then 3,600 plus 5,000, how much? 5 plus 3, 8,600. See, 8,000, 8,600. And then, next case, issued 15, issued 700. 700 യൂണിറ്റ് ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്യണം. സോ പ്രൈസ് നോക്കിക്കേ, റിസീവ്ഡില് 12 plus 10, 22. അതാണ് മുകളിലത്തെ റിസീവിംഗിന്റെ പ്രൈസ് രണ്ട് കേസിന്റെ. അപ്പൊ 22 by 2, 11. So it is 7,700. So 100 only the balance. 8,600 minus 7,700, it is 1,100. Hala, 900. 8,600 minus 7,700. It is only 900. 9 sevens are 16, isn't it? So 100 and 900. So here, one thing you need to check. Almost all the quantity is utilized. Only the available is how much? Out of the 800, 700 is utilized, so 100 is there. So 8,600, 7,000, only 900 quantity is available. So this price will not be there for the next receipt, our next issue. So along with that, how much on 20th, how much? 414. So it is 5,600. So now 500 is there, and then 5,600 plus 900, it is 6,500. See, the receipt is there, and next issue on 25, 300 units are issued. 300. So here, one thing you need to know, this 100 only is available with this price, not this. അതാണ് ഓർക്കേണ്ടത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ കേസിൽ ഈ 14 plus 12 മാത്രം എടുക്കുന്നത്, 10 എടുക്കാത്തത്. Because almost all the portion of the 500 is utilized. Only remaining is with regard to out of the 300, that is the 700 taken, balance is 100. Because see, 800, 700. So out of the 500, it is already taken in this lot, in the previous lot. ഇതില് അത് എടുത്തു പോയി. അപ്പൊ 100, 900. Then 440, 5,600. Then what is that? How much it is? The 500 is there because the add up and 900 plus 5,600, 6,500. Then 25, what is that? 300 units are to be issued. 300 units. So how much is the balance here? 200. Okay. Which price? That is to be taken. See, that I told you, this 100, that is almost utilized. Only the balance is there. With the first step, 500 plus 300, 800, only 700 is there. That is 700 is utilized. Only 100 is available. So this load almost finished. So next 2 loads are to be taken. So 14 plus 12, that is 26 divided by 2. How much? 13. So that 13 is here. 13 into 3, 3,900. See, 3,900. So 500 minus 300, 200. 6,500 minus 3,900, it is 2,600. 2,600. Then, after that, received again on 27, 500 units, 11, 5,500. So 200 plus 500, it is 700. Then 2,600 plus 5,500. Issue വരുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമേ പ്രൈസിന്റെ പ്രശ്നമുള്ളൂ. അതാണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾ. ഓക്കെ, ഇഷ്യൂ വരുമ്പോൾ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അതിന് തൊട്ട് മുന്നിലത്തെ പ്രൈസുകൾ എടുക്കുക. ഇനി ഈ കേസിൽ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എടുത്തത്? ഈ പ്രൈസും കൂടെ 3ഉം കൂടെ എടുക്കാതെ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ലോട്ടിലെ എല്ലാം യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്തു. പിന്നെ ആ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലോട്ടിൽ അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഇതിനകത്തെ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഈ 300 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനകത്ത് നിന്നാണ് ഈ 100 ഉള്ളത്. 500-നകത്തെ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 700 പാർട്ടും എടുത്തു പോയി. പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായി? സോ അതാണ് 200 plus 500, 700. 2,600 plus 5,500, that is 8,100. This is the closing stock. Now the closing stock is 700 units at what? How much is the total? 8,100. So this is the simple average method, rather taking the price average. So only one more part is left, that is weighted average price method, that we see in the next class. Please have a look at the classes and clear your doubts. Please do the problems as it is, and then if you have any doubts, please clear through the WhatsApp personal number or through message. Thank you for the day.